What's up, guys? What's up, guys? We're over here, South Padre Island fishing. Oh, la la la. Could I just do... I can't change my thing. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for likes. I can't zoom out. I think please I'm using the front camera. We're out here jetty fishing. What's up, y'all? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? We only got in one red today. Two reds. We got two reds today. Mine was an oversized. And then we got this one.
Here we go.
Yes, sir. We got that one. Yes, sir.
The sharks and shit.
Was it 27, right? That's loud red, 27. We're out here fishing.
Tournament winner. Chicken dinner.
Chicken dinner. Yes, sir. You guys have any questions? Let me know. Let me know. To see where I'm at. Where am I fishing? We're fishing at South Padre Island. We're live. Only got in one bull red today. Well, I got a bull red.
Oh shit!
No, what you doing? You got him?